So guys, I'm almost sure you've never heard of the fact that you can earn more than $1,000 with Awesome Oscillator in just a few minutes. Yeah, right, and in this video I'll share my whole experience of working with this indicator with you. But there's one important feature, this strategy has lots of nuances, so be sure to watch this video attentively and make it to the end. So let's apply indicator. We open indicators panel and apply this one indicator. Now let's figure out how to work with this indicator. It helps us to confirm the force of one or another movement. For example, let's watch this case. As we see, the movement here is pointed down. And what's up on indicator? Well, on indicator we see those red columns are falling. And if we see each column is getting lower and lower than previous one, then it's a confirmation of the downtrend. The same thing for uptrend. As we see at this moment, upward movement was started and columns started growing conversely. They also changed its color from red to green. So which cases we should open a position? Okay, we're opening a position in exact moment we see the general trends change and see that on indicator there's an intersection proceeding as well. For example, let's check this. In this case, there was a downtrend for a long time, and then suddenly it changed to upward. And as soon as we see an intersection, which is accompanied by these columns heading up, from down to up, we open a zeal. The same thing with downtrend, guys. In this case, the trends change to downward, and we see on indicator there's an intersection while red columns are heading down. And at this moment, we would enter with lower. Now let's move to trading. While trading, I'll be sharing some advices to increase the win rate of your deals. Let's go! Guys, I open a deal for 1 minute with lower. In this case, first of all, we see the downtrends proceeding. Besides that, on indicator, I see an intersection happening with red columns heading lower. Thirdly, as confirmation factors, I can point out there is a support level, which the price pretty likely will tend to. When trading on this strategy, be sure to use secondary factors, guys, which will confirm your entry point, as it increases the win rate of your deals. These factors may include levels, the general trend direction, and candles. So the deal is closed in a profit. Unfortunately, no impulsive movement was caught. Nevertheless, the profit is what we've got. We go on. Well, I open a deal with lower for 1 minute. In this case, firstly, I see the downtrend started. Secondly, I see intersection on indicator, while each red column is getting lower and lower than previous one. Thirdly, I can point out there is a support zone at the bottom, which the price will likely tend to. And the seller was also providing great impulsive candles. Okay, these candles confirm the seller's force, which will push the price lower. Before opening a position, I recommend you checking how the indicator used to work out on history. And we're confidently closing a profit! Great! Let's go on. So, I open a deal with lower for 1 minute. In this case, I see the downtrend was started, while, as we see on indicator, intersection happened as well. Meanwhile, we see each red column is getting lower than previous one, lower and lower. Besides that, I see support level located at the bottom that the price will likely tend to reach. And I also see some great candles in favor of seller, which are confirmation for my entry point. And have a look at this awesome movement happening right in front of us. Wow, this deal will likely be closed in a profit. As I've already said, the deal is closed in a profit. We go on. So guys, I open a deal with hire for 1 minute. In this case, first of all, I see an intersection happening. Meanwhile, each green column is getting higher and higher than previous one. Besides that, I see a resistance zone is at the top that the price will possibly tend to reach. Besides that, I see great impulsive candles. They mean the buyer is stronger here and they will likely push the price higher. And here comes another recommendation for you guys. Please consider risks. In this video, I do not consider risks, but for you, I recommend using risk management in your strategy. So the deal is closed on a profit. Let's open another deal, the last one. And summarize the result. My dear traders, I open a deal with lower for 1 minute. In this case, I see the downtrend. Besides that, I see intersection while each red column is getting lower than previous one. I think at this point you've kept it in mind, guys. And I also see the support level was broken through. As we know, after support levels broken through, the downtrend will likely be continued. And I also see great impulsive candles from the seller side, which will push the price lower. We are confidently closed on a profit. So, thanks to this simple strategy with only one indicator, we turned $100 into 1,386. Oh my god. So, thanks to this strategy, we're getting just crazy deals and oh my god, I'll run a trading session today on this exact strategy, I think. And if you want to copy my deals and earn money together with me, then follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel. I'll be waiting for you. So let's move to my favorite withdrawal of money. To do that, we open Finance panel, click Withdrawal, then fill in the sum of withdrawal. For me, it's $1,200. Then insert the wallet address and fill in the confirmation code. Click Continue. As we see, the application request has been sent. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please put your likes, subscribe to my channel. I'd be really glad. And I wish you really big profits. And bye-bye. See you soon.